guys, so today is very exciting. I just got to Ikea and I'm going to get some stuff to decorate my room for Christmas. Then I'm going to do my whole room makeover for the Christmas time. I'm so excited. I've been waiting to do this for so long. Let's go.
Baby, am I in your way? 'Cause you walked out so fast yesterday.
This is really cute. Should I get the plain red or should I get this? That. The plain red? Wait.
No, I don't think you're here to stay.
The one thing I wish that I really wanted to get was red ornaments because I don't have any of those. And they have them. I know, but they're $14.99. I wish they had like a smaller pack. I mean, I guess I could go for it.
No, I just wanna be with you.
Should I actually get these for my tree? Oh, for your little mate. They're so cute.
Just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be.
What's up, guys? It's a little later now and I got home a few hours ago. I had to clean up my whole room, vacuum. Now it's all ready to decorate and I have all the Christmas stuff here on my bed. Also my beanbag, which I need to move out of my room so there's room to put up all the Christmas stuff. But I'm so excited. We're doing it. It's gonna be fun. Let's start decorating.
Forget more problems, I might go insane.
I think the first thing I'm gonna do is make my bed Christmassy, basically. Just have to move all the stuff and then we can set it up.
But I don't believe a word you say, 'cause I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it, tell me all the reasons.
That's kind of funny. I have so many red throw pillows. 3. I guess that's not that many.
You're here to stay, no, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you.
Just finished doing my bed. It was pretty simple.
Wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna.
Let's go get the tree from the attic if I can and we'll set it up. I am so excited. Here's my Christmas tree. It is pretty narrow. Well, no, this spot is narrow. I'm just going to fluff it out and make sure it does fit.
I just wanna dance all night. Forget more problems, I might go insane.
Oh my gosh, yay! This is making me so happy right now. My tree is officially fluffed out and it already is pre-lit, which is so nice because that would take forever to do. For the ornaments, I'm going to use mostly these red ones that I got from Ikea. And then I also have some silver ones here that I'll be putting on. And then I have some extra ornaments in here that I want to put up that are just fun, like this angel ornament. I have some snowflakes, another little angel. I've had this for all my life, I think, and it's super cute, or at least since I was little.
I just wanna be with you. 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 Yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you.
Here is the final tree with all of the ornaments. And then I'm just gonna add this tree topper, which I got from Hobby Lobby. I love how it's wide. I think it'll be the perfect addition to the top of the tree to add some wintry vibes.
No, you know it. I just wanna be.
Wow. The tree is done and I love it. It screams Christmas. I think it's super elegant and beautiful. So I love it. Oh my gosh. Oh, I need to put the tree skirt on. There we go. I'm going to use these on the smaller tree. I don't have any other silver ornaments though, so I decided that I would use this mini tinsel for the tree as well.
Your lies, I've had enough. I can't run your place in this faulty game. And all the words you speak.
I just finished with the mini tree. I took one of the kitchen towels and wrapped it around the tree to kind of make it look like a tree skirt. And it was kind of plain with just this tiny tree, so I hung up a stocking. The next thing I'm gonna do is put up any garlands in my room. So I actually have 3. This is gonna go above my bed, and then I'm going to wrap this around my clothing rack and put this on my dresser. The next place I'm going to decorate is my dresser. Obviously, I'm gonna remove the pumpkins. And then I'm gonna put up these lights because I used to have them above my bed, but I don't need them there anymore, obviously. I think I'll also add in maybe some candles. Now what I'm gonna do is put together the wreath. I have the red ornaments that I'm going to attach. Probably I'm going to use some string and tie them on. I'm thinking that this will be perfect right above my dresser because it definitely needs something. The next thing I'm going to do is decorate my whole desk area, so the desk itself and then the shelf above it as well. My brother came in my room and he shook. You like it? Even though it's like a real mess, I still have to pick it up.
No,
but
it's not a real mess. It just adds to the Christmassy vibe.
It is currently 10:27 and I'm still decorating. I just added some more decorations to my bookshelf. I have the whiteboards here and this thing to hang up like pictures and stuff. I wanted to hang up some stuff, so I found some paper that is very Christmassy and I think I'm gonna cut these out. After all that, my room is finally fully decorated for Christmas. So now I'm gonna go show some other people in my family and see what they think. Okay, come on in.
Hi, Rocky. Let's go.
You can open your eyes.
I need to count
3,
down.
2, 1, open!
Oh my goodness! Why do people always do that? They cover their mouth when they're surprised?
I don't know. What do you think?
Oh, I'm so shocked! Okay. No, it looks really cute. It's really cute though. I like the I like the table with the tree. It's taller than me.
Yep.
Oh wow, nice. Is this last year's?
No. Oh. I don't know.
Yes.
Oh yeah, it must be. Rocky wants to leave. Bye. He's like, I'm not ready for Christmas. Out goes the Scrooge. So here it is.
That's cute. Did you like print something out to do this or like what? Or, like,
oh, it was in a Christmas paper set that I already had. So I basically just cut it out.
Red Starbucks mug. Sips tea.
Yeah, my battery's about to die, so. How do you like it? Oh, you want to leave too? Oh, okay. That was my whole room makeover. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'm super happy with how it all turned out. I think it came together really nicely. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!